Picture this: your child is laughing, playing, and exploring the world around them, often surrounded by a symphony of sounds. From lively music to excited chatter, their environment is full of auditory adventures. But have you ever paused to consider if some of those everyday noises might be too loud for their little ears? You should start to worry about loud noise exposure for kids whenever a sound is so loud that it causes discomfort, makes their ears ring, or forces them to raise their voice to be heard by someone standing nearby. Even sounds that seem moderately loud can be a concern if the exposure lasts for a long time, as cumulative exposure greatly increases risk. The core reason loud sounds are harmful is because they damage the incredibly delicate hair cells within the inner ear, which are essential for processing sound. Children's ears are especially vulnerable because their auditory systems are still developing and they often cannot identify or remove themselves from harmful noise. Once these hair cells are damaged, they do not grow back, leading to permanent hearing loss. The severity of damage depends on two main factors: how loud the sound is, measured in decibels, and how long the exposure lasts. For example, a single, extremely loud impulse sound, like a firecracker, can cause immediate trauma. However, prolonged exposure to sounds at 85 decibels or higher, such as many common toys or crowded environments, can also lead to gradual but significant hearing damage over time. To protect your child's hearing, regularly observe their reactions to sound. Look for subtle signs such as them rubbing their ears, speaking unusually loudly, or appearing startled by certain noises. If they consistently ask you to repeat yourself in noisy places, or if they struggle to understand conversations, these could be indicators that their hearing is being affected. You can take practical steps to reduce risk. Limit the volume on personal listening devices, ensure headphones are volume limited, and encourage breaks from noisy environments. Consider using earplugs or earmuffs during exceptionally loud activities like concerts or sporting events, and remember to set a good example by protecting your own hearing as well. Understanding the 85 decibel rule is key. This guideline suggests that sounds at 85 decibels, roughly equivalent to heavy city traffic inside a car, are safe for about 8 hours of continuous exposure. However, for every 3 decibel increase, the safe listening time is cut in half. This means a sound at 91 decibels is only safe for 2 hours, and something like a leaf blower at 100 decibels is only safe for 15 minutes. Being aware of these limits empowers you to make informed decisions for your child. By recognizing the signs of risky noise exposure and understanding the science behind hearing damage, you can proactively safeguard your child's precious hearing. Protecting their ears now means they can continue to enjoy a lifetime filled with rich sounds and clear communication, preserving their ability to learn, connect, and thrive in their world.